Does being in an apartment mean it has to be boring? The answer is no. When I moved in, I thought I had to keep my cookie cutter bathroom, but I found 3 easy and affordable hacks to add personality. The first thing I did was make a frame to go right on top of my existing mirror. This literally just sits over the mirror without any damage. It's such a great way to upcycle what you already have, and if you're not into making one from scratch, you can totally find a frame at the thrift store to do this. These gray doors were just begging for a makeover, so I used Duck EasyLiner to give them a brand new look. I was debating between these two patterns. I really love the tile look to this black and white one, but I ultimately had to go with this fun green starburst pattern. It ties in so well with the rest of the bathroom, and this is the Duck adhesive EasyLiner, so it is removable and 100% renter friendly. You can use this everywhere from drawers to shelves, and since it's easy to clean, it's also really great for countertops. Look at how much more personality it adds to my bathroom vanity. I'm going to finish it up by switching out the knobs. This just instantly changes the look of any cabinet. These brass ones are my go-to, but there are so many inexpensive options out there to really make it your own. My bathroom is far from boring now. It feels so welcoming in here and so much more like me.